A very good afternoon to you. Baling up the hay here now. Come at the last bit here now. Baled up the short ground and just got a few drams left here in the bottom half of the field. Sun's been a bit reluctant to come out there today, but about 4 o'clock came out really nice, pleasant. So I thought it'd be a good chance to go and bale this hay up. Baled up the headland and silage, so that cleared that way. Then got the centre of this one and also the field next door. So hey, it looks like we're going to have plenty of it as well. Just tying another bale. Give it another pair of hands here, really. Just get around to get it. So got this dram and 1, 2, 3, 4 more drams, and that'll be it. And then in for late tea. So thank you for watching.